Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain hose in a Samsung washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 5/16" nut driver, a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers, a pair of pliers, and a pair of vice grips. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain hose. The drain hose connects the drain pump outlet to the outside drain. If you notice water under the washer at the end of the drain cycle, check the drain hose for cracks and tiny pinholes and replace it if needed. We need to remove the top panel. Using the 5/16" nut driver, take out the two screws from the back of the top panel. Slide the panel back and lift it off the washer. Pull out the dispenser drawer, press down the tab and remove the drawer. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the three screws that hold the dispenser housing. Slide it out of the control panel. Leave the top edge of the control panel to undo the clips. Open the door and tilt the panel towards you to disengage the bottom clips. Disconnect the wire connector plug. Put the towel on the floor right under the door. Then, using the flat blade screwdriver, press down the tab on the top of the door and open it. Place a container next to the door. Okay, now we're going to pull the drain pump hose out of the clamp. Place it in the container and remove the cap. So we can drain any leftover water in the pump. In our case, we don't have anything, but I bet that you will have probably a half of a container of water. So now we're going to cap it off. Using the flat blade screwdriver, press the side tabs and remove the pump door and housing. Tilt the washer back on the support. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the two screws, one on each side, that holds the front panel to the bottom hinges. Put the washer upright and open the door. Using the flat blade screwdriver, pry off the door boot spring and remove it. Remove the boot seal from the lip and tack it inside. Next, remove the three Phillips screws that hold the door latch assembly and push the assembly inside. Four more Phillips screws from the top of the front panel should go out. Leave the front panel up and off the two tabs on the top and rotate it towards you. Free the hose from the retainers on the left. Leave the front panel off the bottom hinges and take it out of the way. Okay, let's start with placing the towel underneath of the hoses there. And now we're gonna slide the hose clamp using the pliers. I'm gonna squeeze it and slide it off. And now we can pull the hose off. Okay. All right. Now we need to go to the back and take out the drain hose. So get behind the washer and using the Phillips screwdriver, take out 2 screws, one on each side, that holds the access panel. Then lift it up to release the bottom hinge here. Pull it out and push it down. Then we can take it off. Right now I'm going to reach underneath of the tub and free the drain hose from 2 retaining clamps. And 1 more retaining clamp here. Now we're going to take 1 Phillips screw out and remove that last retainer clamp. Right now I'm going to pull the drain hose out and we're going to pull it through here. This is the old drain hose next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. Now let's put the new hose through the opening here. Pull it through. And right there, where the insulation is, we're going to leave it in. Put this end underneath. We're going to put this retainer clamp on. Match the holes and secure it with a Phillips screw. Let's install it into the clamp here on the left for now. That would be out of the way. Place the new hose into the retainer. Now we can install that drain hose into the retainer clamps here. 1 and 2. We're going to install the rear access panel. Slide the top 2 tabs into the cutouts. Then put the bottom 2 tabs into the cutouts. Slide it down and secure it with the 2 Phillips screws. Alright. Put the drain hose on the pump and secure it with the hose clamp. And now we can take a towel out. Bring the front panel and install it on the 2 bottom hinges. Place the hose on the left in the 2 retainers. Push to close the front panel. Secured with the 4 Phillips screws at the top. Install the door latch assembly and secure it with the 3 Phillips screws. Right now I'm going to pull out the door boot seal. And place the boot seal over the lip here. Tack it in. Now we can put the outer clamp in the groove with the spring at 6 o'clock. Lock the wise grip right next to the spring. Jam the flatbed screwdriver right there, approximately at 3 o'clock, and pull on the spring and install the clamp in the groove. Check it visually all around the seal. Pulling it to make sure it's not going to come off. All right, looks like we did a good job here. We can close the door. Tilt the washer back on the support and secure the front panel with the 2 Phillips screws at the bottom hinges, 1 on each side. Put the washer upright. Get down and install the drain filter door housing. Make sure the hose in the hole and push the housing in to lock the tabs. Install the hose into the retainer and close the filter door. Let's bring the control panel to the washer and connect the wire plug. Install the bottom clips into the openings, lift up the panel and lock the top clips. Install the detergent dispenser housing and secure with the 3 Phillips screws. Slide in the drawer. Close the top, slide it forward to lock and secure to the 5/16 screws from the back. Turn the water on, plug the washer back in, and make sure there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.